Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
Welcome to Amavans on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. I'm joined by Spouse and Jetley. Wow, Meng Ching. July. The only first team in the soccer league history, yes, to be winning 5 games in a row, yes, drawing 2 games, yes, and staying in one position. Position number 3. That's right. Kaizer Chiefs. It made history. We have a go. Yeah, we have a go. It made history. So Kaizer Chiefs. That's a history. But Flash. Good to play with our GMPD. Yes. Our MMPD. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Ngoba kudlala Kaizer Chiefs. Why? But it's Bolam Tutu. Yeah. Iconal Jumiaga. Arbolam Tutu. Iconal. Look at the beauty that was there. Yeah. Good like Kaizer Chiefs. I call. Let me pair na baba macho. Serious. Why you ever can go? Why ever can go? Let me chain na shapa macho. Chifa la. Chifata kuruchambele betika kanda bedia takaspira memele metlaka wonderful just the red amanda papa bunyuma mapata amdoga.
I'm happy from Throne. Yes. Yeah, but the game bro. Honestly speaking, I think they made a wrong choice with Refis game bro. Yeah, because this thing bro, demand so you can see with Magarefa, he was refing. You can see with this a foul that need yellow card. Yeah. But he was scared to take a yellow card. So they got any yellow card. So I think they made the wrong choice with Refis game. Yeah, they made the wrong choice. They should have given this game to someone else. He was good, ne? Yeah. But you can see with Umundu Refile, this is a yellow card. So he's scared to take it out. But they will be questioning with Mara. You didn't make a right choice to select this guy to the World Cup now.
Oh, who is this scared of though?
No. Steven Zolele.
Or it's just everyone.
No, he came with Refegas. Yeah. He came with Refegas. Yeah. But thinking, no, what I keep on my card. He was refing, bro. Thinking of Wutin. He was scared to take out the yellow card. That's because was Wutin. Why the man began refi came? He did well. Yes. But thinking of Wutin came the ref at the World Cup. Yeah, no. He was thinking for yellow card. I'm with you. And then it's him, bro. Yes, I will. Yes, in Yamaka, Lipek for him. Yeah. Good always, my Mama they were playing too close, bro. Yeah. And that's why 2 and 3 always be Paga. Yes. They keep on like across. Yeah. Yes, we are Lego. Across our ball. Sure. We are late. Yeah, lose. Maga lose. Paga. Yeah. So if we are shall go batting ban go Peterson. Yeah. Peterson flag. If we there's nowhere to be found. Yes. Nowhere to be found. So if I am, I hope next time, bro, they need to be solid. If 5 shall go 5, if 4 shall go 5. Yes. I can tell over Makel with me, bro. Yes. 2 and 3. Yeah. We have been exposed today. Yeah. But I hope with going forward they will fix that thing. Yeah, no far. I'm happy, bro. I'm here, bro. Man of the match. Peterson, bro.
I'm a pirate. They are confused molecules. Yes. Today they have favoured themselves. Yes. On the 6th they say they favor us. Yes. We have confused molecules. It's science name. When you are boiling a kettle, those bubbles, they are confused molecules. They don't know how to go down or up. They are confused molecules. Science. That's physics. That's physics.